It was René Descartes who first proposed in 1644 the concept of a primitive solar nebula, a rotating disk of gas and dust out of which the planets and their satellites are made. A century later, in 1745, Georges Louis Leclerc de Buffon put forward a second theory, that a massive body, he suggested a comet, came close to the sun and ripped out of it the material that constituted the planets and their satellites. In the 2 centuries after Buffon, the many theories that were propounded tended to follow in the tradition of either Descartes' monistic view or Buffon's dualistic one. The balance of favor swung back and forth between them. The most significant early monistic theories were those of Immanuel Kant and Pierre-Simon de Laplace, who elaborated on Descartes' original idea by explaining how the cloud of gas and dust shrinking to form the sun would have spun faster and faster because of the conservation of angular momentum. A decrease in the radius of the rotating mass must be balanced by an increase in its rotational speed. Laplace suggested that a series of rings were shed, from whose dust the planets and the satellites were formed. At the end of the 19th century, dissatisfaction with the ability of the nebular hypotheses to explain the accretion of matter into the planets brought dualistic theories back into favor. Today, they have been generally abandoned. It seems clear that most of the material that might have been drawn out of the sun by, say, the approach of another star would have fallen back into the sun or dispersed into space before any solid condensates could coagulate into planets. A major reason for the wide range of early theories of the origin of the solar system was the lack of the observational data, of facts to be explained by a theory. The history of the Earth's first few hundreds of millions of years is missing from the geological record, which could therefore offer no clues to the environment in which this sample of a planet was born. Have a great day.